So from here it gets locked. This is basically lock, as you can see from the side. So actually that rod comes into hold of this is not a strong, this is quite a weak plastic. As you can see here, it's wobbling a bit. So see this, so if you see from that, so it basically holds that rod. So when you fold it will become up, and when you push it down, so it will become up, and that lock gets inside that rod when you press that. So this is the basically lock functionality. However, it seems sturdy from the first instance. As you can see, there is no rust as of now, but it may get in the future, since it is based of iron, not a steel. So otherwise, a good deal. As you can see, this is a Parasnath logo here, and it's made in India. So this is the guys about the ladder. So as you can see here, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe that video, and thanks for watching.